There's been many rumors about the Mercedes Mythos series. And here it is, the first car, which is the Concept Mercedes-AMG PureSpeed. That open race car really embodies 100 years of Mercedes racing heritage with current Formula One technology into that stunning proportion. The long hood, the open cabin, and the car sits on the rear. And you see here with the halo, which we designed, with these special helmets we designed, and these little hubs here, we are bringing that car into an era of modern Formula One technology. With the color scheme here, we call it the Targa Florio, and the red fading into the black AMG pattern. That really emphasizes that long hood that the car sits on its rear. And of course, with all the 4-power pipes as a signature for Mercedes-AMG. So with that, I think we have created a new iconic car, the first one into that Mercedes Mythos series.